How to get $160 Amazon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Amazon.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Amazon. Now you can log into your account, select the items that you want to purchase, add those items to the cart, and proceed to checkout. While you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, you have to paste the code and you will get discount. Now where can you find the Amazon promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Amazon promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. 80% off, $10 off, 80% off, $5 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use, just click on it. With that, you will get the code. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of Amazon and come to the page of promo code, paste the code and proceed to checkout. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. Also, make sure you go through this website as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Amazon. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $160 Amazon promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.